Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video. I just found a shotgun at my cabin, the one my dad bought, and yeah, it just needs the bottom stock right here. It shoots fine, it's just that it's dangerous shooting it like this. But what I'm gonna do is just see if I can take off this buttstock right here and then paint it. Maybe I'll paint the barrel, I meant the metal. And this is dangerous too, it doesn't have a trigger guard. It shoots and everything. I was shooting bullets with this already. This doesn't have a pin sight. Gotta get one. Buy one of these. The stock that goes right here. The rest of it. And yeah. It doesn't kick out the bullet. Yeah. So I'll just post another video of me painting it. So yeah.